Good morning to everyone. My name is Y. Gautami. I am working as a management lecturer in Sri Vivekananda Degree College. Today we are going to discussing about the topic is, so what are the essentials for marketing mix, and it is also known as 4 P's of marketing. So explain about 4 P's of marketing. So why we called similar names? Because of the reason the marketing mix is the combination of handling 4 P's. So that's why it is also known as 4 P's of marketing. So what are the 4 P's of marketing? Na? The 4 P's, the first P is indication of product. So first P is why product means, so without product we no need to other 3 pieces. So that's why first P is product. Product mix. And second P is price mix. So why we write second P is price mix? Because of the reason we have product but we don't have price, at the time we can't sell successfully. So that's why we need first P is product, and after only we can decide the price mix. And the next third P is place. So third P is place. The place is a market. So where the buyers and sellers are both are meet together, the place is like a third P, like marketing. And the fourth P is the promotional channels. Promotional channels. So we have the product and we also have price and we have one place, but we don't have any promotional channels and we don't have any publicity. So when we give more publicity to the product, at the time only we can create the awareness to the customers. So when the customer have a better awareness, they know how to use the product. At the time only they maybe purchase more things. So that's why the fourth P is promotional channels. The promotional channels we simply say like publicity channel. The first P is product mix. The product mix, what is the discussing means? So what is the product color? So what is the product package? So what is the product brand? And what is the product label? And what is the warranty? Services? Style of the product. So these are called the product mix. The product mix sense, so what are the product attributes are we use the product. The product sense, the raw materials are converted into finished goods. So we can collect the inputs and after the assembling process, we can send the output products to the customers. So when we want to produce the output products at the time, so we need to maintain the product color. So what is the meaning of product color? For example, the chalk piece is the product, it is the color is white. So why it is white sense? For the attraction of black boards and green boards. So for the identification of color also very important to the product. Because of the reason when we want to produce a new product, so it has a multicolor or attractive color, at the time only it is very easy to attract it to the customer. For example, if you produce black color or yellowish colors, they may be negatively impacted to the customers. For example, medicines. So if you purchase any ointment or any cream, they may be packaged update color like white color only, because of the reason that is the medicine symbols. So this is the color. So when we want to produce a product, the product should be maintain a very good color. The good color impacted to the good sales. So that's why the color is very important to the product manufacturing. The product color also indicate the flavors. Orange flavor, neem flavor. So what is the flavor indications also indicate to the color. And the second one is package. So when we want to produce a product, at the time we neatly correctly mention to the packaging. So because of the reason, the package only safety of the product. If the package is failure to safely, automatically the customers are obey the product to the society. So when the product is neatly binding, at the time only it maintain the safetyness to the product. For example, dairy milk chocolate, so it may be packaging very neatly and clearly. Because of the reason, they may be not bind correctly. At the time the chocolate may be melt like creamly. And the brand. So what is the use of brand in product means? The brand is the ambassador for the product. It may be indication to the product to the customers. And the labels. So labels are the colors in the attractiveness of an above layer for the packaging. The above layer packaging for the easy to identify the customer. So what is the product? And warranty. The warranty is the no damages for the product. When you have used the product, so at that time they never uses any damages. If any damage occurs, the company product may be gives to the warranty. And what is the services and style? The services is what are the drawbacks or occur to the product, they may be provided to the services to the customers. And what is the meaning of style? The style says the product like innovatively, like oval shape, horizontal shape. The shape is also applicable to the like a style of the product. So these are the attributes of product mix. So when we want to produce a new product, at the time in our minds we can consider these factors. So what is the product color, and what is the product packaging, and who are the brand ambassador for this product, and what is the label of the product, and how to we provide the warranty, and how much of services we can give to the customers, and what is the style of the product. And the second P is price mix. So what is the use of price mix in marketing mix, Nana? Because of the reason no price we can't identify the value of the product. The price is the only best essential element for the identification of a product value. So how we can say the Kohinoor diamond is high value, so it is the indication of price. The price is high, that's why that value is high. If the product price is low, at the time the value of the commodity also low. So that is the price factors. The price only decided to the value of commodity. The price only indication of what is the commodity purchasing capacity. So why we here collected to the price mix sense? Basic price. The basic price sense. So what is the manufacturing price? The basic is a manufacturing price. So what is the difference between cost and price here? The cost is the manufacturing expenditure, but the price is cost plus profit is equal to price. So easy to identify the difference between cost and price. The cost is only manufacturing. So what is the expenditure we face to produce the product, that is a cost. And what is the meaning of price? So the price is a combination of cost plus profit. So we can add our manufacturing cost plus profit. After only we can decide the price. The every price indication of profit of the company. So that's why we can decide the first point is basic price. And the second point is pricing policies. Pricing policies. The companies are maybe pricing policies in like different stages. Some companies may be adapted demand based pricing. Some companies may be adapted competition based pricing. Some companies may be take like competition like cost based pricing. So those are the pricing policies. So the pricing policies are three types: cost based pricing policy, demand based pricing policy, competitors based pricing policy. So when they want to decide to produce a product, how much the price they decided to, they maybe take these three factors for the pricing policies. And the next point is pricing strategies. Price strategies. So some companies may be follow different pricing level strategies. Some companies may be decided odd price. Some companies even price. Some companies psychological price. They may be different from one competitor to another competitor. They may be decided different prices. For the example of some pricing strategies like odd price, even price, psychological price. The psychological price is a bargaining price, ma'am. And zonal price. The zonal price is in south zone, north zone, east zone prices. So those are the some of the example for pricing strategies. Okay. So what are the factors we can indication of pricing mix? Base price 1 point and pricing policy 2nd point. The pricing strategies are the 3rd point. And another last point may be due to like credit facility. Credit facility. Some companies may be provided to credit facilities to the customers like installment basis. Some companies does not provide this type of systems. But so many of companies provided only credit facility system. Because of the reason they may be collect much more interested for the product. So these are the some points for the pricing mix factor, means the second P indication. And what is the third P? The third P is the place The place we can divide it like two types. First one is distribution channels. Distribution channels. The distribution channels like who are the intermediates like distributors. The distributors like wholesalers, retailers, brokers, agents. So these are the examples for the distribution channels. Who are the distributed to the product for the producers to customers? Those links are called the distribution channels. And the second category is physical distribution. Physical distribution. Comes under physical distribution means we only directed physically move to the product. Like example, transportation. So what is the meaning of transportation, ma'am? The transportation means moving the products from one place to another place. So where the production area we can collect it and we can send to them market areas. The process is called the transportation. And we can take the help of warehousing also here. Warehousing. The warehousing sends godowns. So those are helpful to the products to create the demand. If our product don't have any demand, we can keep safely to the warehouse godowns. So when it creates the demand, at the time only we can publish the products. And last point here, inventory. So inventory. The inventory sends stock. So what is the raw material? So what is the how much of publicity further we can take the collection of material? It may be kept like side in inventory. So those are the physical distribution, transportation, warehousing and inventory. So what is the 4P? The 4P is the promotional channels like publicity. So these comes under points like personal selling. The personal selling means we only directly personally sell to the customers. We don't have any brokers and we don't have any intermediate channels. The personal selling is also known like direct marketing, direct selling. So who are the producing the product? They only directly deliver to the customer hands. So personal selling, we no need to give any publicity. It may be like mouth publicity. So 0 paisa of cost expenditure we can face this type of advertisement. So we don't have any cost of single paisa of expenditure, but we can give the publicity, that like mouth publicity. And the second point is advertisement. So we are all know. So what is the meaning of advertisement? So we see in daily TV channels, radios, newspapers. So they maybe provide some advertisements. So what is the indication of advertisements? They can create the awareness to the customer. So what is the product? So what is the product cost, price, how to use it? They may be mentioned entirely description for the product. And third one is aids. The aids like dealer aids and customer aids. The aids means factors, the customer factors and dealer factors also impacted to the fourth like promotional channels. The promotional channels means publicity. It gives the publicity for their products. Their products when they publish automatically the customers are attracted and they can purchasing power is high, automatically the selling power is increases. So these are the 4 pieces of marketing. So once again, the elements of marketing mix. The marketing mix is the combination of task and subtask of 4 pieces of marketing. So what are the 4 pieces of marketing? The marketing area like we can see product mix, price mix, place and promotional channels. So these are the 4 P's: product, price, place, promotion. So product, without product we never used to these 3 P. So that's why the first one is product. The product says the raw materials are converted into finished goods. So when we want to convert it, we mind in color, package, brand, color, labels. So we comes under here. And the price mix, we can identify the value of product. At the time we can decide the pricing policy, pricing strategy or basic price, and maybe we can give the credit facility or allowance any facility we can mention. The place we can divide like distribution channels and physical distribution. The distribution channels are like a brokers, wholesalers, retailers. The physical distribution means we only physically move the product like transportation, warehousing and inventory, and last P is the promotional channels. The promotional channel means publicity, to create the publicity for the product to the customers. Okay students, so this is the topic of marketing mix or 4 P's of marketing. Thanks for listening.